Hey guys, it's Jeremy again, Dragonsmith Glassworks, and welcome back to another what I'm going to call my Friday Furnace Side Chats. I'm going to discuss some things that people ask me about frequently, and today we're going to talk about how you get started glassblowing. I'm not talking about tools and techniques. I'm talking about how you get your feet wet, how you first get your hands on glass. And it seems a lot of people think that this is something that's going to be really difficult to do and impossible to find a place to go to learn. And really, it's pretty simple. If you just Google glassblowing classes in your local city, you're going to find a studio nearby. Now, if you're in a real small town out in the middle of nowhere, that may not be the case, but almost every major city has a glassblowing studio, even if it's a really small one. And sometimes the very best experience you're going to get is in a small studio, learning how to blow glass in a really hands-on, one-on-one experience. You know, you can go to places where you take big group classes and they just kind of shuffle you through the system. And a lot of the bigger name places that cater to like one-off experiences are like that, and I don't recommend that. But if you can find a small local studio to get your feet wet, to taste it and see if it's something you're really interested in, that's all you have to do. You don't have to go out and spend tens of thousands of dollars to build a studio. You don't have to go and enroll in a university course until you have experienced it and tried it and really know that it's right for you. And once you've made that decision, you'll be surprised how many resources there are out there for you. There are a lot of private studios that offer the equivalent of a Glass 101 course. There are nonprofit organizations that give free classes to certain types of people. For example, the Tulsa Glassblowing School has a program where they give free glassblowing classes to veterans. That's an awesome thing that people should be taking advantage of. And I tell you, I'm in Oklahoma right now, and last weekend alone, 5 veterans who wanted to know how to blow glass didn't know where to start. I referred them over to Oklahoma, to Tulsa Glassblowing School. So really, there's lots of resources. If it's something you absolutely fall in love with and you feel like you just have to do it, a lot of universities have programs. Even a lot of community colleges. Harrisburg Area Community College, for example, had a program, or has a program, at least the last time I checked they did. So, you know, if you're really interested in this, it's really something you want to do, and you can't find any resources local to you, contact me, shoot me an email, and I will see if I can find somebody near you that teaches classes. All right, folks, that's it. It's a short one today. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, like and subscribe. It would really help me out. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you next Friday.